Hi everyone, it's QuizBeast and welcome to my channel. Today we have some special guests, the characters of Genshin Impact from Mondstadt and Liyue, whom we will guess by the sounds of their idle animations. Subscribe to my channel and as always, one correct answer is 1 point. Let's go! Round 1, Mondstadt. Sound number 1. Sound number 2. Sound number 3. Sound number 4. Sound number 5.
Benny's Adventure Team, assemble! Oh. Benny's Adventure Team, assemble! Oh.
Sound number 6. Sound number 7. Sound number 8.
La da 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 da. La da 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 da.
Sound number 9.
I created another universe and founded paradise, for I created another universe and founded paradise, for I, Fischl, am the Prinzessin der Verirrten.
Sound number 10. Sound number 11.
These bombs, so heavy.
Dodoko? Dodoko, where are you?
These bombs, so heavy.
Dodoko? Dodoko, where are you?
Round 2, Liu Wei. Sound number 1.
1, 2, breathe. 3, 4, and... One, two, breathe. 3, 4, and...
Sound number 2.
Silly churl, Billy churl, silly Billy, hilly churl. Silly churl, Billy churl, silly Billy, hilly churl. Ooh.
Sound number 3. Sound number 4. Sound number 5. Sound number 6.
Osmanthus wine tastes the same as I remember. Osmanthus wine tastes the same as I remember. But where are those who share the memory?
Sound number 7. Sound number 8. Sound number 9.
If you ever want to trade tactics, I'm always ready. If you ever want to trade tactics, I'm always ready.
Sound number 10. Sound number 11. Okay, it obviously wasn't so simple, so if you guessed all the characters, whoa, you're good. And if you're not, tell me in the comments how many points you got, subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like that, and see you in the next quiz.